top accounting skills that can help you get your dream job. In the competitive world, your hard and soft skills play the most crucial part in your job success. Having only knowledge and lacking skills will get you nowhere in your career. For instance, if you think about accounting, it is not just about numbers but the ability to perform tasks. Because employers these days seek skilled candidates to handle their organization's data, make financial policies, do financial audits and more. Hence, having the right skills sets you apart in a competitive job market. Hence, in this video, let's delve into must-have accounting skills that can help you secure your dream job. Financial reporting is the top accounting skill that you require to get your job. Be an expert at numbers when preparing financial reports. Making financial statements, balance sheets, income and cash flow statements all require your skills to present the data. Additionally, understanding general accepting accounting principles or international financial reporting standards makes you a great accountant. If you equip yourself with analytical skills, then you are a competent accountant. Wondering how? Finding issues in financial documents allows you to offer good solutions. Having the ability to analyze the data and draw conclusions with your problem-solving skills plays a big part in your job success. For example, you should be capable of analyzing how to minimize tax liability or detect the fraudulent use of organization funds. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Furthermore, with the ever-evolving world of technology, proficiency in using accounting software is a must. Knowing tools like QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, and Microsoft Excel enables you to manage accounts, track expenses, perform an audit and generate expenses in time. What's more, the knowledge of ERP softwares distinguishes your capabilities from others. Paying attention to detail is another crucial skill that you should master as an accountant. Try to be accurate at work and develop expertise in identifying errors in financial data. And you know what? Even a minor error can bring in worse consequences. So being detail-oriented and a sharp observer increases your reliability at work. Isn't it great? And guess what? It doesn't just stop here. Acquiring tax knowledge and legal compliance adds more to your expertise. Making the tax returns, ensuring legal compliance with tax laws and advising the clients on tax strategies make you more valuable for your organization. Alongside this, staying updated on new regulations and ensuring the company's compliance with financial data is the job of a professional accountant. Accountants often work under pressure from their managers or employers and with other team members. So, mastering your soft skills like time management and communication skills is extremely important. Meeting the tax deadlines, managing legal documents, and preparing the finance reports for stakeholders all require your time. Similarly, communication with team members, clients and stakeholders with clear and accurate information helps you achieve your reputable position. Hence, completing each task effectively without last-moment hustle makes you a potential employee. Now, work on these essential accounting skills to win your dream job and become a professional accountant. If you are interested in an accounting career, visit our website to get your accounting and finance course today.